Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide follower and following list on TikTok. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. The only way to hide your followers and following lists on TikTok is to make your account private. Having a private TikTok account will mean that you will have to approve users before they can follow you and watch your TikTok videos. Your current followers will not be affected. To make your account private, open up the TikTok app and tap on the profile button in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. Then tap on the three dots button in the top right corner to open the settings. Under account, tap on privacy, the second item in the list. In the privacy settings, you need to turn the toggle on for a private account. When on, it will turn from gray to neon blue. Your followers and following lists will now be hidden from other TikTok users. And that draws an end to this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.